What up, y'all? Hope y'all are having a good day. I'm having a great day. The missus gifted me some Beats Solo 3 headphones, all right? I've been needing some new headphones. I've been using the AirPods, but I don't like to leave the AirPods in my ear for a long, long time, and I be needing my AirPods like all day. Or I prefer to use AirPods instead of, talking or holding the phone up to your ear. So, yeah, this is a really, really good gift. I'm very thankful. If y'all don't know, these are on sale right now. I think they're on sale at Target. I think she said Target or Amazon. Yep. So, nice box. I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. Yep. It said up to 40 hours of wireless play. Fast charge, 5-minute charge. That's pretty cool. On-air controls for music in calls, so you can talk and use these at the same time. I think that's pretty cool. Yep, and of course built-in microphones for voice. So yeah, I'm excited about these, man. I love getting new headphones. If y'all don't know, I got like every pair of headphones you can think of. But I think my favorite headphones so far is probably the Beats Studio headphones, because I like to do a lot of my DJ mixing and recording on those headphones. So, but yeah, these are pretty good looking headphones. So let's check them out. I already took the plastic off. I ain't feel like doing all that, but yep, took it off. Come this little nice little sleeve. Pretty cool. Nice little black box here. Comes out pretty smooth. Then it says change the way you hear sound. Beats gonna always add their own little whoop on there. It's a little overhead, so let's just fold that up. And these are obviously the headphone case. Where the headphones go. A carrying case. I think that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open these joints up. It's a nice white look. I like it. It's clean. Kind of light, but that's okay. I guess something you're gonna be using often. I guess you do want it to be relatively light. So it's about how big they are in your hand. Y'all probably hear my dog walking in the background. The Beats over the top. Nice fold down. Kind of cool. Yeah. Very, very interesting. Pretty sure that's the power right here. Of course. Yep, nice little light up. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I like the small. I didn't want these to be very big, so I'm a fan of the Beats Solo 3s. I like them. They're pretty cool. They got all kinds of colors of these too, so you don't have to get white. Of course, y'all probably know that already. But yeah, I think off the jump I can already tell I don't like how these ends just fold down like that. So if I held it right here, they just drop down. I wish these was a little bit more, a little bit more, whatever. That's pretty cool. I think that's my only little gripe right now. We'll come back in like 2 months and I'll give y'all an update on that part. Let's see what else is in here. At least this is the inside of the box. Let's see what else is in here. Pretty sure this is probably the charging cable. Look like a little book, a little booklet or something like that. This doesn't go down. All right. Like little cards or something. Try Apple Music for free. So I guess they give you some free Apple Music or whatever. The Beats Solo book. Get apps, stay up to date. It's pretty cool. Like this little sticker or whatever, I guess. You put the sticker. I guess, did these go on there? Can you a Beats logo sticker and then information book. So, the same old generic stuff comes in here. That's pretty cool. Let's see, what else we got up in here? Yeah. Like a charging cable. Decent sized charging cable, so that's cool. Charge it up. I like the black. I'm tired of the white charging cables. I don't know. Feel like we need a new look. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like a, what is this? Like a keychain holder, I guess. Guess not that. Just tear that off. Yep, Beats keychain holder. Pretty neat. But yeah, all in all, I think I'm gonna be very happy with these. I'm always appreciative, especially of new headphones. I love new headphones. You want to make me a fan of you? Give me some headphones. I love headphones. So I'll let y'all know how good these are, how long they hold up. I'll give y'all a review in a couple months and let y'all know how they holding up. But I just prefer these right now over sticking some AirPods and stuff in my ears. So that's my main reason for wanting these. Shout out to the missus for hooking me up with that. And yeah, pretty cool. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. I got some more freestyle mix videos coming on the way. Give me some requests. Y'all want some more Afro beats. A lot of people like Afro beat mixes. I guess that's the end right now. So y'all let me know. But appreciate it. Let me know if y'all got some headphone suggestions. I'll try them out too. All right, I'm out.